morning. So here we are again in Tofino, Ucluelet in the Pacific Rim National Park, and we're going to walk a trail called the Forest Loop, right?
Yeah.
Forest Loop.
It's on either side of the highway, so you can do a little loop on this side and then cross the highway and do a loop on the other side. And what I was reading up is about 2.5 total.
Okay, so short little, nice little walk.
Yeah.
On this beautiful day, and we actually took our raincoats off because we're pretty confident that the rain will hold off.
Yeah, the truck says 11 out. Pretty good for the middle of January.
Yeah, we're going to take you into the Rainforest Loop. And actually is spitting a little bit, so I hope I don't regret my decision.
We might not be going this way. Yeah. Closed.
This trail is closed. All right then.
Well, what do you think of that, Rocco? Key on it?
That was a fantastic loop, so yeah, I guess we will do the loop on the other side.
Well, go do the other side. That's why you come here, because if this side's closed, the other side's open.
It's magical in here.
The bear den.
Bear den. I don't think so.
It's like we're in Avatar.
Yeah.
Different world.
Of that cedar tree. Huge. Man, if you ever come this way, you got to check out this walk. It's gonna be wet. You gotta do it though. You gotta sit in the official red Parks Canada chair.
Well, sit then.
I don't have my rain pants on. No, my
You said
feet
you
are
got to
already
make it
wet.
official. You have to sit.
Okay, I'll dip.
Sit.
I did it. You sit.
Nope.
Yeah, all the Canada parks have these beautiful red chairs to take photos in, and sometimes they have contests where you send in your photos of yourself sitting in the red chairs. So this Rainforest Loop here between Ucluelet and Tofino in Pacific Rim National Park is a beautiful walk through the ancient trees. Beautiful boardwalk here, some of it's been redone. And they've done like really nice pattern work in the cedar. It's a beautiful walk, but it's not for people who have mobility issues. There's lots of stairs going up and down, and it's really slippery. But if you can, come check it out. The Forest Walk, kind of halfway between Ucluelet and Tofino on Vancouver Island. New boardwalk. Old boardwalk. I hope you enjoyed this little walk through the Rainforest Trail on the boardwalks. Check it out. We were lucky to have really good weather yesterday, nice and sunny. The rain held off today, so it's raining a little bit, but it's still a beautiful day. And now we are checking out Big Beach.
Breathe in water and change color.
Let's see.
A and B. Aha.
You got it right.
It's because I would have got it wrong if I went with it. I got the first one wrong. Because I said living only in trees. And it was like the only known one. That's cool. 1.2.
Some people doing some cold water swimming or plunging over there. Cool. Sea glass. Let's see. Nice. There's a sign. And now we're going to walk the Wild Pacific Trail here in Ucluelet. This is the best place to come for storm watching right now. The tide is out and it's not that windy, so it's still pretty fabulous, but some days it's just wicked. So yeah, if you come to Ucluelet, check out the Wild Pacific Trail. You can walk for kilometers all along the coast and into the rainforest. So it's beautiful.
Storm watching that.
We're around here and we're going to try to get to the storm watching deck.
And then when we come back, we can actually go here and walk the road if we want the path. Actually, there is no path. Oh, we'll just go back out here and do the path out to the frog parking lot because that's where we are.
Okay. We arrived at night the other night and it was so stormy and the lighthouse was going off. You could hear the buoys making that funny noise. But yeah, today it is not stormy. Still beautiful though. It's still an awesome walk. Highly recommend it. It's a fairly easy walk. There isn't any routes. It's just a bit long, but yeah, people can do the whole thing, sections of it. It's a beautiful walk and you get to see this. Maybe you can see Japan way over there. So we walked to the viewing station on the Wild Pacific Trail here in Ucluelet. And we gotta get to a coffee shop because Mike has a caffeine headache. He's a bit grouchy. So you know you gotta get him a coffee if he's like feeling a little bit edgy. Out on this beautiful trail by the ocean.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
So we're gonna head into town, find a little coffee shop, and then probably hit the road. Gotta get home, gotta get back to the day jobs tomorrow. You know. Like and subscribe. When you come to the West Coast and other places, you gotta respect Mother Nature, and especially the ocean. We just saw some people sitting on some rocks down there, and this huge wave came and sprayed right up. And I mean, if it was any bigger, they probably would have got swept away and injured because they were right on the rocks there. So yes, be careful when you're around the ocean. And I actually personally met somebody that got hurt by a rogue wave and got carried away, and it was like a gorgeous day. It was totally unexpected. Yeah, so today's tip, respect Mother Nature, and especially the ocean. All right, let's go find you a coffee. Goof. So our West Coast weekend has come to an end. We're gonna head home now. Gotta go on the windy highway and probably get stuck in the detour again. But thanks so much for coming along on our West Coast adventure this weekend. We had a fun time. It's nice to have a little getaway from the old grind. Back to work tomorrow, all that kind of stuff. So we will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye. Mike, you need to take like some deep breaths. Goof.